Habis around, habis angkat gambar je. Tu, jom sana. So, pakcik sini lah. Inilah nasi ku. Ni tang ni. Di depan ni, tang depan.
Testing. A very good morning to the testing. Testing. A very good morning to the acting head of the English department, Puan Nolida, head of the English unit, Encik Fazila, lecturers and fellow friends. Today, with great pleasure, we, the TESL Semester 8, would like to present to you our lightning talk. To start off our session, we have the two lovely ladies from our group, Tengku Anis Anini and Siti Nur Insania, who will be talking to us on the topic change. So now, I would like to call upon the ladies.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. So, what is change? Change is where something, an act or a process of which something becomes different. So, in my own words, change means the act when someone does something differently or something is done differently according to the time, the situation, and also the environment. For instance, the transition from secondary school to university level. So during this transition, you undergo many changes in order for you to adapt in the situation. So Hani, what is your own definition of change?
Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, so what is change? Okay, change is, for me, is a transition between one version of yourself towards another version of you. And this change can either be seen in two directions. You can either change towards a better version of you or towards the worst version of you. So it really depends on your choice and how you do things in life. Okay, so as for me, how I start to see a change as a necessary step for me to take is, I was actually diagnosed with high blood pressure disease just recently. Yes. Okay, honestly, it was an eye-opening moment for me, and I believe that necessary changes are needed in my life. And I believe that I need to change in terms of my routines, my habits, the way I do things, the way I eat things, yes? And I think that this will help me to improve my life and become a better version of me. And this is why I think changes are necessary.
Change is also necessary because it keeps boredom away from your life. It makes your life more exciting and also adventurous. For example, as I entered IPGKDA, I had undergone so many changes that I couldn't believe myself, and it is what makes me today. I had do things that I don't think I would if I'm not here, and it kind of motivate me to become better, especially since I don't want to be a burden to myself and also my group members. Change is also necessary because, as I said earlier, you don't want to be a burden to yourself or your group members. You want to help, or you want to help yourself in becoming better. And I think that throughout my 8th semester of study in IPGKDA, I had changed so much, and even though I don't want it, but it sure will leave a memory, and I think that in the future I will miss the moment where I am stressed and angry at something for not becoming what I want. Okay, so I hope that you are convinced, we hope that you are convinced to make that necessary change in your life so that you are more adventurous and that you don't become a burden to anyone.
Okay, so we hope that all of you will actually learn something from our sharing session just now and realize that sometimes a change is necessary. And do whatever it takes. Make any necessary changes so that you can live a better life and become the better version of you. And there goes a saying, your life will not get any better by chance, but it will surely get better by a change. Okay, that's all from us.
Thank you, ladies, for that very interesting speech. Next, we'll proceed to a creative presentation from the rest of the members of the TESL group, who will be presenting to us an action song titled Lemon Tree. Let's welcome them.
Hold the mics, please, someone. Too much. Too much. Oh, the happy tea. The very happy tea. Ni buka cantik nampak. Maybe the mic can go.
Kita tak belum. Bekal kita tua.
I'm driving too far. I like to change my point of view. I feel so lonely, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a little lemon tree. Turning my head up and down. I'm turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Da 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 da. Wonder how. I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. Turning my head up and down. I'm turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see, and all that I can see, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon.
Ada lemon tree kat rumah.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our presentation. I hope you have enjoyed yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay lah. One last show for the road, ah. Okay, thank you. Before you retire.
Okay, Fiber cover, take a look.
Go that side there. One shot lah.